first glance, this appears to be a standard road bike, but take another look. No chain and no sprockets. Less drag, less maintenance. Longer pedal cranks, more leverage, more torque. Vertical motion, more gravity, more speed. Cycling is a sport where the leg is attached directly to a machine, the bike. With linear motion, there's less stress to the body, so less blood oxygen requirements to the legs, less strain on the heart, and less flexing of the hips, knees, and ankles. 15 years ago, this was just an idea to go faster. But with the help of competitive riders, engineers, medical professionals, production machinists, bike retailers, and experience in designing and building experimental aircraft, what it became is faster, simpler, and safer riding. Pedal cranks over 2 times longer deliver twice the power to the rear wheel, and vertical pedaling takes advantage of gravity throughout the entire stroke. The prototype frame weighs under 3 pounds. A new computer design weighs even less, improves its strength, and simplifies production. The gearbox that converts linear pedaling to rotational motion weighs less than the chain and sprockets of a 10-speed, and a built-in mechanism prevents horizontally opposed lockup of the drive levers by advancing one pedal at the top of the stroke and retarding the opposite pedal at the bottom. It also provides for a smooth, natural transition from one stroke to the next. Removing the rear wheel is quick and simple. Open 2 quick-release levers and disconnect the shifter cable. That's it. And for transporting, it all fits easily and securely in the back of a car. So here it is. New bike, more benefits. Hi, my name is Roger Parker. I'm the inventor of New Bike. I received a patent in 2016 for finding a way to make all bikes go faster with less effort. It took years and more than $250,000, but most of the work is done. I just need your support to cross the finish line. Thanks for watching.